Welcome to our restaurant. Welcome to our restaurant.
Hi, table for one, please. Hi. Table for one, please.
Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Bell. Yes, under the name Bell. Can I sit by the window? Can I sit by the window? This table is fine, thank you. This table is fine, thank you. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Here is your menu. Here is your menu.
What do you recommend? What do you recommend?
The soup is very good today. The soup is very good today.
I would like some water, please. I would like some water, please.
Still or sparkling water? Still or sparkling water?
Still water is fine. Still water is fine.
Are you ready to order? Are you ready to order?
Give me a few more minutes. Give me a few more minutes. I would like the chicken soup. I would like the chicken soup. I will have a burger and fries. I will have a burger and fries. Can I get a salad instead of fries? Can I get a salad instead of fries?
Sure, no problem. Sure, no problem. What kind of dressing do you want? What kind of dressing do you want?
Ranch dressing, please. Ranch dressing, please. Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy?
It is a little spicy. It is a little spicy.
Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy?
Sure, I will tell the chef. Sure, I will tell the chef.
Do you have any vegetarian options? Do you have any vegetarian options?
Yes, we have a vegetable pasta. Yes, we have a vegetable pasta.
I will try the vegetable pasta. I will try the vegetable pasta.
What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink?
I will have a lemonade. I will have a lemonade.
Anything else for you? Anything else for you?
That is all for now, thank you. That is all for now, thank you. Excuse me, can I get some ketchup? Excuse me, can I get some ketchup?
Sure, right away. Sure, right away.
Can I get some more napkins? Can I get some more napkins?
Of course. Of course.
This food is delicious. This food is delicious.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Can I get the check, please? Can I get the check, please?
Sure, I will bring it right away. Sure, I will bring it right away.
Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash?
Yes, that is fine too. Yes, that is fine too.
Is the tip included? Is the tip included?
No, the tip is not included. No, the tip is not included. Here is your change. Here is your change.
Keep the change. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
The service was great today. The service was great today. I really enjoyed my meal. I really enjoyed my meal. Can I get a to-go box? Can I get a to-go box?
Sure, I will bring one for you. Sure, I will bring one for you.
Thank you for the wonderful food. Thank you for the wonderful food.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
You too, goodbye. You too, goodbye.